The quality that we produce is a strength. The way we do pre-construction, the way we help you set your budget while we're working on what we're going to do in design, what we're going to do in terms of scope of work, and then balancing that against where the budget lands. I think we do that well. And just absolute integrity and honesty in who we are and how we look at the project. We actually, I think we have the longest written warranty in the Lower Mainland for what we do. And like a new home warranty that you would get when you buy a brand new home is a 2-5-10 warranty. And we, as our own standard, we give out a 3-6-12. And we did that because we weren't getting callbacks for warranty. We were doing things at a level that they were standing up, as they should. And for us, we thought that it was a really great idea to show people we'll stand behind our work and we'll look after you, and our work will speak for itself.